How to replace Wells Fargo debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can replace a debit card of your Wells Fargo. If you think that your card has been lost or stolen, you can order a replace card online from your Wells Fargo mobile app or by contacting through an official website, that is www.wellsfargo.com/replacemycard. So you can find this link right over here. I'll make sure to drop the link as well. As soon as you click on the link, you'll be taken to its official site where you need to fill up the form or log in into your account first of all. After that, you'll be asked to provide in the details regarding your card. As you're done entering the information, click on the submit button and you'll be notified that the application has been successfully submitted and within no time your card will be replaced. However, if this is not a convenient method or if you don't have an online bank account, then you can also contact a customer service team through a phone call. I'll make sure to drop the contact number as well on my description box below. So basically, this were the steps on how you can replace Wells Fargo debit card. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.